Do you fancy a journey from Texas to California? How about an electrifying one that could reshape our world and boost a certain stock value? Today, we're diving into an audacious proposal from Tesla, one that might just revamp the whole long-haul trucking industry. So, buckle up, as we're about to hit the road with a game-changing idea. All right, let's dive into yesterday's trading session. We saw Tesla start the day at $266.26, peak at $266.47, and close at $261.07. If you're a fan of percentages, you'll know that's a decrease of minus 2.38%, a somewhat considerable slide, but remember the market is a roller coaster, not a staircase. One thing that really caught my eye was the trading volume. You might think 82,338,355 is a high number, but if you consider the average volume of 133,240,241, it's actually a fairly quiet day. Lower volume often suggests less trading activity, and, as we saw, the price didn't drastically swing. Now, those surge signals are interesting, right? Throughout the day, we saw price levels at $270.11, $273.43, and $279.45 on the upside, and $264.09, $260.77, and $254.75 on the downside. These are important landmarks, and the stock was playing around them like a cat with a ball of yarn. It didn't quite reach those bullish surge levels but found some resistance around the first bearish surge level, ultimately closing between the first two bearish surge levels. These act as signposts for traders, helping them anticipate potential breakout or breakdown points, but yesterday's dance was more of a tango than a waltz, with the stock finding some stability near those lower surge signals. Okay, let's take a look at the news. We've got this interesting piece about Tesla's plan to build a semi-truck charging route from Texas to California. This could be a massive game changer. We're talking about the potential to reshape the entire transport industry, and, more broadly, the fight against climate change. Tesla's plan could literally electrify the long-haul trucking industry, a significant shift given the commercial trucking sector's reliance on traditional fossil fuels. This proposal also marks another Tesla-led push for sustainable transit. It's not just about the electric vehicles they produce, but also about enabling and enhancing their viability on a larger scale. This charging network could potentially reduce greenhouse gas emissions significantly, especially considering the extensive route from Texas to California. One crucial point to discuss is the funding. Tesla is seeking a grant of $97 million from the federal government. Now, that's a lot of money, but imagine the potential return on investment for Tesla. This isn't just about selling trucks, it's about setting up an entire ecosystem that supports electric vehicles, particularly for long-haul deliveries. However, the big question mark here is whether Tesla would continue with the project if they don't get the grant. If successful, Tesla's influence would spread across a vital 1,800-mile route, enhancing its footprint and supporting the circulation of goods via a more sustainable method. Despite the challenges Tesla has faced with its semi-truck, like the delay in production and a recall, this plan shows the company's unwavering commitment to its vision. And this, in turn, could increase the stock's value in the eyes of investors who look at the bigger picture and see the potential for long-term growth. Let's look at the surge signals for the upcoming trading session. On the upside, we're eyeing $261, $264, and $270. On the downside, the figures to watch are $259 and $254. These are critical levels because they could confirm a directional move for the stock. If Tesla stock approaches or breaches these levels, it might signal a bullish or bearish trend. How the price reacts around these points could indicate the stock's momentum for the day, potentially setting the tone for future sessions. And that about wraps it up for today, folks. Remember, the stock market can be an exhilarating ride, so strap in, keep your eyes open, and always stay informed. If you liked this content and want to keep up with the latest on Tesla and the broader market, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And hey, we're curious, what do you think about Tesla's proposal for the semi-truck charging route? How do you see it influencing Tesla's stock value? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. We're eager to hear from you, and your input might just be the spark for our next conversation. Stay tuned, and as always, happy trading!